Sleeping outside for the first time. That can be intimidating. But you actually don't need much. A bit of preparation, the right equipment, and then this is your little adventure.
Before you pitch the tent, take a look around. Is the ground level? Is it windless here? Are you not too close to the water? That can make the difference between a bad night and a really cool experience.
First, always set up the tent. Try setting it up at home too, so you know how it works. The first night is never perfect, but with nature, fresh air and the silence, you really start to unwind.
A good mattress is essential. It protects you from the cold and helps you sleep well.
The gas lamp for outside, a flashlight for inside. And very important, don't forget spare batteries or a solar panel. Energy is worth its weight in gold when it gets dark.
You need the gas stove to prepare your food. And important, always place it sheltered from the wind.
What a lot of people forget, camping chairs. But at the end of the day, you don't want to sit on the cold ground, and they're comfortable too.
You don't need much to get started.
Just a little bit of curiosity and courage to start. You'll see, it's worth it.
That was just the beginning. In the next videos, we'll show you more tips and tricks about camping. For example, how we made the fire.